Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back up at Nicholas Arnold's roof. I just had to trim this laminate shingle as it did not fit. We will send this sample off to an ITEL to determine what kind of shingle this is, because all of the shingles are this size on the roof, so a normal 30-year laminate shingle will not fit. This is how much I had to trim off. So I will continue the repair and I will put this shingle back in. Let you guys follow along with me. Let's get you back. Had to step off the roof and trim this shingle. I didn't want to cut it on the roof and cause additional damage. Put them back in the holes I took out, nails. Alright guys. As you can see how thin the shingle is, any kind of touching on the edges of this shingle is going to cause it to rip, let alone all these granules that have fallen off the roof. As you can see, I'll take some photos as well for you guys. Thank you.